Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another episode of Smart Money Sundays. Hope this finds you well and you're ready to crush it this week. I do apologize, this episode is going to be a little more on the brief side. As usual, I unfortunately have to attend a wedding this afternoon, so I'm in a bit of a rush, but nevertheless wanted to get some analysis out for you guys on a few pairs. All right, so let's jump right into it. Euro USD. All right, so this one we called some long positions for our VIP members. Obviously had a nice bullish rally following FOMC last week. All right, so we have now cleared out all of this structure. Now I'm expecting price to continue up into our next real higher time frame kind of supply. All right, so we can look to continue to buy it at least up into here for the here and now. All right, so for this one, my level, you can go ahead and take notes or mark some of these levels off on your chart. But quite simply, I'm looking for a retracement leg into, for one more extension to the upside, into that level 1.19578. Specifically, I'm looking at this kind of 6-minute candlestick right here, where as you can see, come FOMC, we had that nice sell to buy, okay, running out this liquidity here. All right, so I'm looking just to retrace, fill up some of this inefficiency, and then get that continuation. All right, so quite simple, literally just a run on liquidity, a new high, looking for that retracement and continuation up into, like I said, obviously we have our H1 up close here, and I believe if you scale in a little bit further, we've got a nice little 20-minute area as well. So up into 1.1960, I expect to magnetize price, and then we'll kind of gauge the broader market once price approaches this level. Potentially look for some type of distribution at this level for a brief retracement back down to the downside. All right, but like I said, for the here and now, we are going to be looking to buy Euro USD from this 6-minute area. I would simply just wait, come possibly New York session tomorrow, Monday, look for that accumulation, get a nice tight stop, because if you just took it off of a limit here, it would be 45 pips for a stop, and then we don't like that, obviously. So that's the level, that's the POI. All right, next on GBPUSD, just going to highlight, if you haven't seen my prior YouTube video for the trade idea that was sent out for GBPUSD to VIP members, obviously we caught the bottom here. And I've talked about this level for so long. Congratulations to those of you who follow diligently and caught the same level as well. And congrats if you were in VIP. Obviously, this thing at its peak was at about a 1.227. Overall target for this was quite simply old low, then structure here, which I still expect to be met at 1.4034. So right now we're just experiencing a little bit of a retracement, and this thing has really just been kind of a singular leg, so it's very difficult to kind of judge the levels upon a pullback where we'd look to buy it. But personally, I think we have the possibility to run out this low and then account for our down close candle here at 1.38294, potentially dig deeper into 3.820, maybe 50% of this, and look to get long on this, continuing up into our old low here. And at that point, we can then gauge, again, based on the broader market correlation, what to do with some of these dollar pairs. All right, but until then, kind of like Euro USD, looking for the continuation up into our higher time frame targets, POIs. All right, so it's very simple on GBPUSD as well. All right. Another one, GBPCHF, that we quite frequently talk about on this episode. Playing out very nicely in terms of a bearish market structure at the moment here on the 4-hour time frame. All right, as you can see, we had the up close and the distribution, quite clearly distributed, buy to sell. All right, so I'm just following the structure here. We got low, high, looking to again just keep stair stepping down. All right, and so if you did not get in here at our POI, then simply I would be looking for just a little intraday quick pop-up. That was bad, but anyway, you know my level here. Just a simple retest, and then looking for that continuation on down for GBPCHF, because there really isn't much now that I believe is going to stop it. Okay, this didn't really come into anything to the left. Now that we've cleared the lows, trading below the daily 50 EMA, nice distribution. I think this thing is really good to head down and at least retest some of this broken higher time frame structure here. All right, so this could be a nice, 400-ish pips move to the downside. All right, so I really do like this level. Again, I won't be setting limits. Everything we do, we try to follow the lower time frames and watch what price is telling us around our POIs. All right, and we teach this quite in depth in our courses, our advanced course, as well as our Wyckoff course. All right, so last one I wanted to talk about today is GBPCAD. GBPCAD. All right, now this thing traded up into a higher time frame supply here with a nice spike on the daily time frame, partially refilled this wick, creating a new potential lower high in this market. All right, so as you can see, traded up into this wick. I'm sure there was something on a lower time frame for mitigation, but we do have some nice equal lows that I would like to target. All right, and so looking down at the 1 hour time frame, okay, you can see a very clean up close candle running out liquidity, buy to sell. Okay, never had that real true mitigation. All right, even going down to the 15-minute now for precision, I really do like our unmitigated up close candle on the 15-minute. 1.7420 is the POI for this one this week. If we can get a quick run on this, running out these highs, the lower time frame structure, coming into the supply, I'd like to continue down and target these relative equal lows that I just noted. All right, so with that level, it would be, it looks like about a 1 to 19, catching 270 pips with a 14, 15 pips stop. So that one looks really, really good in my eyes. And obviously, if you're in VIP, we will keep you updated on all of these. All right. So that is it for this week. Again, I apologize. I have to run. I'm very busy today, but I'm really glad that we got to post this video for you. And so you have some good POIs, some good ideas, and have a good plan for some of these pairs coming into this week. All right, as always, if you have any questions, message us on Telegram at ArielFX Trading or on IG at Ariel__FX. I'll be happy to assist you or get you involved in our VIP community or with our educational courses. All right, have a great week. Thanks.